What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you how to fix a bent ring at home for less than $15. Some of you are do-it-yourselfers. Some of you just don't want to spend the money at a jewelry store because it's going to cost you probably twice as much to have someone else fix it. So there's an easy way to do it at home. You just need two things. You need a mallet, preferably a rawhide mallet, but you can use a rubber-headed mallet, and a ring mandrel. These items can be bought at a craft store, Michael's, Joann's, online at Rio Grande. A bunch of places have these things. It's pretty simple too. All you do is you slide your ring over. As you can see, it's misshapen there. And you just tap it. And you pull back as you tap it. And as you can see, it's starting to move. You just keep pulling and tapping, slide it off, flip it around. There you have it. Your ring is round again and ready to go. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. Hit that subscribe button if you want. Check out my IG, Harju Jewelry. Thanks for paying attention.